The journey of rice bran oil doesn't start in a factory. It begins in the fields, where every grain of rice holds more than just food. It has the potential to provide valuable, edible oil called rice bran oil. One of our clients in Bangladesh sourced some of the finest rice paddies from the fields. Since our client in Bangladesh was already involved in rice bran oil production, they wanted us to collaborate and help them increase their production capacity. Of course, the first step involved our client transporting rice paddy to rice mills, where the bran is separated and processed further. After milling, the rice bran is transported to the facility for the solvent extraction process.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমি ডাক্তার মোহাম্মদ বিপ্লব হাসান ফারুক, তামিম অ্যাগ্রো ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজ লিমিটেড। এনএনটি টেক তামিম অ্যাগ্রো ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজকে একটি মেশিন সাপ্লাই দিয়েছে, রাইস ব্র্যান অয়েল মেশিন। এই রাইস ব্র্যান অয়েল মেশিনটা আমাদের এখানে ইনস্টল করেছি, পারফরমেন্স বেশ ভালো পাচ্ছি। এবং এনএনটি টেক তারা যে মেশিন সাপ্লাই দিচ্ছে তাদের মেশিনটা ভালো, আমরা ভালো পারফরমেন্স পেয়েছি। বাংলাদেশে আরও কয়েকটা কোম্পানি আমি শুনেছি তারা এই মেশিন ব্যবহার করছে, আমরাও এই মেশিনটা ব্যবহার করছি। তো রাইস ব্র্যান অয়েল বাংলাদেশের একটা অনেক বড় সম্ভাবনাময় খাত। এই খাতে আরও বড় বড় ইন্ডাস্ট্রির লোকজন আসবে, সেটাই আশা করছি। এনএনটি টেকের ভবিষ্যৎ উন্নতি কামনা করছি। ধন্যবাদ।
NNT Engitech Private Limited, an ISO 9001:2015 and CE certified organization and a leading pioneer in giving services to oilseeds, oils, and fats industries. We are known for serving quality with engineering and technology. With that foundation in place, we designed and built a 300 TPD solvent extraction plant, seamlessly integrating it into our client's existing facility. This enhanced oil recovery and boosted production capacity. To increase the production capacity, we provided them with an industrial facility, a solvent extraction plant. This plant has 3 different sections, where each stage is engineered for maximum efficiency, minimal losses. The preparatory section, solvent extraction unit, meal processing section. Let's walk through the entire process from start to finish. In this step, we remove impurities like husks, jute, and foreign particles, preventing contamination and ensuring smooth downstream processing. Then comes the material transfer with the help of the rice bran conveyor system. Once cleaned, the material is transferred via a rice bran conveyor. This conveyor seamlessly moves the raw material through different processing stages, ensuring a continuous and efficient workflow. The cleaned rice bran then enters the cooking phase, where it is heated at controlled temperatures. Moisture and temperature levels are carefully maintained to preserve the structural component integrity of the material. The cooked rice bran then passes through a conditioning phase, after which the raw material is converted to rice bran pellets. Pelletization improves energy density by increasing surface area, making it easier for the solvent to penetrate during extraction. After this, the pellets are sent to the cooling and drying section. The moisture levels and temperatures are carefully controlled here to preserve quality and prevent degradation. Every stage in the preparatory section is designed for efficiency, ensuring the rice bran is perfectly prepared for extraction. The raw material is then moved to the solvent extraction plant. Our modern technology at NNT Engitech implemented a solvent extraction plant that efficiently produces rice bran oil. We ensure every drop of oil is extracted efficiently, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. Inside the extractor, there's a specially designed bed containing several hoppers. As the bran passes through, hexane is sprayed through nozzles over the material. This solvent dissolves the oil, creating a liquid known as micella, a mixture of oil and hexane, which collects in the hoppers below. Once the oil is extracted, the solid bran is discharged through the plugo seal conveyor and transferred to the desolventizing toaster, DT, for further processing. The last 4 compartments toast the remains by heating them to produce meal or de-oiled cake, DOC, which is around 100 degrees Celsius. This toasting step removes residual solvent and helps improve the meal's quality. The result is DOC, which is then directed to the meal section for further handling. Simultaneously, the micella collected in the extractor's hoppers is pumped through a micella filter. Here, any fine particles are removed and then stored in a micella tank. From the micella tank, the mixture is fed into the distillation section. This area features several pieces of equipment heaters, multiple effect evaporators, and often a stripping column, all working in stages to heat the micella progressively. As the temperature rises, the hexane evaporates, leaving the crude oil behind. In the final stage, the oil passes through an oil dryer, where any last traces of hexane and moisture are removed. The crude oil that emerges from this dryer is then stored and readied for further processing or refining later. Now let's talk about how we handle all that evaporated hexane. The vapors released in the DT compartments are directed to condensers within the distillation section. In the condensers, cooling water transforms the hot hexane vapors back into liquid form. This liquid flows into a solvent water separator, where hexane is isolated from any water content. Finally, the solvent recovery group comes into play. It consists of the following equipment in the system: heaters, absorber, stripper, gas cooler. Our solvent recovery group is designed to capture every last trace of hexane from off gases and vent lines, ensuring zero to minimal waste. By recovering and recycling the solvent, we keep operations efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally responsible, because every drop counts. Meal received from the DT desolventizing toaster is still at an elevated temperature. To ensure safe handling and long-term storage, it is first directed to the cooling system. Here, the temperature of the meal is brought down to ambient levels. Once cooled, the meal moves to the bagging unit. Here it is carefully weighed, packed, and sealed, ready for storage or dispatch. Together, the cooling and bagging steps complete the journey of the meal, ensuring it is stable, transportable, and ready for its next purpose. Through this entire process, N&T Engitech delivered on its promise, maximizing oil recovery while minimizing losses. The results spoke for themselves. Our solvent extraction plant not only met expectations, but impressed our client with its efficiency. The process ensured limited hexane loss, just 0.7 liters per ton, ensuring minimal solvent wastage. Residual oil in the meal remained as low as 0.4 to 0.6%, optimizing every drop of extraction. A project built for precision, performance, and profitability, just as we envisioned. At N&T Engitech, we don't just build plants, we engineer solutions. We are known for providing solvent extraction plants and turnkey solutions for all your edible oil seeds. With a presence in 25+ countries and a decade of expertise, we help businesses of all sizes at any stage in their growth journey. For more information and to know us more, visit us at www.nntengitech.com.